All right. Good evening, all. Can you hear me?
Yes. Good evening, Miss.
All right. Is my voice clear?
Yes, I am.
Okay. How was your day?
Great.
Great. Everything good? Okay. Thanks. All right. How about Mbak Leni? How was your day? All right, guys.
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, thank you for the response, Alhamdulillah. Now we will start our meeting. And but before that, if you can turn on your camera, please turn on your camera. All right, guys. Now can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, is it clear, right?
Yes.
All right. Okay, now we'll start. So, if you can turn on camera, I want to remind you. Please turn on your camera. Okay, thank you. All right, we'll start. Okay, welcome to speaking class, guys. With me, Nur Mulyananda. You can call me Nanda, right? So, as usual, this is the caution, and whatever happens, stay and do what I say. And also, you will make mistake, so don't worry to make mistake. Jadi jangan berbuat kesalahan ya, karena semuanya dalam pembelajaran itu pasti ada salah, dan kalau nggak salah kita nggak belajar lagi. Jadi jangan takut buat salah. Alright, everything's on purpose. Jadi semuanya ada tujuannya ya. Jadi berharap nanti setelah kelas ini kita dapat speak English well. Oke, jadi di kelas ini menggunakan 50% bahasa Inggris dan 50% bahasa Indonesia. Alright guys, now we move to the topic. Okay. Can you see this picture? Yeah, what is the picture tell you? What are they doing? What are they doing?
Refreshing.
Refreshing, correct. And then what else?
Vacation.
Yeah.
There are vacation.
Yeah, correct. Okay, here are two people, right? So a woman and a man. A man is reading a book and a woman is taking photos, right? They're on vacation, ya. Jadi di sini pada gambar ini ada dua orang ya, ada seorang lelaki dan seorang perempuan, dan lelaki ini sedang membaca buku dan perempuan ini sedang mengambil foto. Jadi mereka ini sedang suasana liburan ya. They're on vacation. Oke, kira-kira dari gambar ini, can you guess what the topic we will discuss? We will discuss. Kira-kira topik apa nih yang bakal kita discuss? Diskusi untuk hari ini dari gambar ini. Kira-kira topik apa? Anyone know?
Relaxing.
Relaxing? Ya, hampir mendekati. Relaxing.
Yang aktivitas, tapi pertanyaan udah. Yang kelompok yang kemarin tuh. Yang have you gitu udah? Belum. Kalau pertanyaan kan belum.
Now we will move to the topic. Our topic is
Positif sama negatifnya yang kelompok
so
3.
the vocabulary
Masih
Jadi
aktivitas dulu ya,
about
mohon maaf.
related to hobbies, right?
Ya, aktivitas dulu, tapi bagian bertanya. Ya. Pokoknya kelompok 3 itu identik dengan sudah atau belum.
Sorry, boleh di mute
Kalau
dulu.
misalnya tanya, kamu udah makan belum? Kamu udah ngambil snacknya belum? Kamu udah punya pacar belum? Kamu udah
Maaf
sarapan
Ibu Elfriede,
ya?
boleh di mute.
Ada 5W1H-nya seperti biasa.
Oke, oke.
Atau 5W1H dulu ya.
Alright, so here are the vocabularies yang akan kita belajar ya hari ini. Jadi ada beberapa kosakata yang akan kita pelajari di hari ini. Di sini ada 10 kosakata. Nah, kira-kira pernah jumpa nggak kosakata ini atau asing?
Asing.
Masih asing ya?
Asing ya.
Oh ya, kayak asing ya. Oke, how to pronounce the first word?
Oh, ya.
Nah, yang pertama itu
Pastime.
gimana kira-kira? Gimana cara pronounce-nya?
Pastime.
Oke, correct. Pastime.
Boleh seperti kelompok 3 atau kelompok
Pastime ya. So, pastime itu adalah waktu luang.
kira-kira kalau misalnya saya mau nanya nih,
And then,
kamu
yang kedua, how to pronounce this word?
mandi belum? Bahasa Inggrisnya gimana ya? Udah mandi belum? Ada
How to
5W1H
pronounce this
nggak?
word?
Nggak ada.
Leisure. Can you follow me? Leisure.
Santai.
Leisure.
Yes, leisure.
Leisure.
So, the first is pastime and the next is leisure. Jadi ini sama-sama
Leisure.
artinya itu adalah waktu luang ya. Waktu luang. Pastime
Hiburan
and
bisa
leisure. Jadi waktu luang atau waktu senggang. And then the third is interest.
Tertarik.
Interest. Ya, tertarik. Tertarik ya. Atau ketertarikan ya. Interest. Next, number 4, how to pronounce this?
Activity.
Oke, kegiatan.
What is activity?
Aktivitas.
Kegiatan.
Ya, kegiatan ya atau aktivitas. Oke, benar. And then number 5, what is how to pronounce this word? Number 5. For number 5. Pursuit. Pursuit. Can you follow me? Pursuit.
Pursuit.
Ya,
Pursuit.
pursuit. Jadi itu
Pursuit.
pengejaran atau waktu sambilan ya, pekerjaan sambilan. Misalnya seseorang sedang bekerja dia sebagai guru, nah nanti ada pekerjaan sambilannya di samping menjadi guru dia menjadi seorang fotografer gitu. Jadi kita bilang pursuit, right? Okay, next
Recreation.
recreation, yes, right?
Recreation.
Asing.
Recreation.
What is that?
Rekreasi.
Rekreasi.
Ya, rekreasi
Santai.
atau hiburan ya.
Hiburan.
Okay, correct. And then number 7.
Amusement. Amusement.
Yes, amusement.
Amusement.
Amusement adalah hiburan. Ya, artinya hiburan. Next, nomor 8 apa?
Vacation.
Ya, vacation. Vacation. Vacation itu merupakan panggilan ya, atau pekerjaan. And then passion. Passion. Nah, semua punya passion nggak kira-kira? Passionnya apa nih kira-kira?
Penampilan.
Ya, passion adalah minat atau bakat ya. Bakatnya kemana? Passionnya kemana? Oh, passion dia speaking, pinter berbicara. Oh, passionnya pinter bisa main musik, passion. Jadi atau passionnya punya suara bagus, dia bisa menyanyi. Passion atau bakatnya, ya. Jadi gairah dia atau kesenangan dia, apa yang dia bisa. Passion. Okay, the last one. What is that? How to pronounce that word? Leisure.
Leisure yang menyenangkan.
Kegiatan di waktu
Aktivitas.
luang.
Ya, leisure activity. Jadi kegiatan di waktu luang. Alright. Leisure. Oke, kira-kira yang pertama tadi sama nomor 2 itu pastime and leisure. Itu waktu luang, sama-sama waktu luang. Kira-kira apa sih yang membedakan kata tersebut? Anyone knows?
Aktivitinya,
And leisure?
Di waktu lampau.
aktivitasnya.
Ya, di aktivitasnya gimana? Nah, kalau misalnya pastime itu biasanya waktu luang yang digunakan orang untuk hiburan di tengah-tengah kerjaannya. Misalnya dia banyak kerjaan, tiba-tiba udah hari libur di waktu luang atau di waktu senggang dari tengah-tengah pekerjaannya dia hiburan gitu. Itu pastime. Nah, kalau leisure waktu senggang dia memang memiliki waktu yang sudah luang dalam artian dia sudah tidak memiliki pekerjaan lagi. Jadi dia memiliki waktu yang sangat luang. Dia tidak ada pekerjaan lagi atau sudah pensiunan. Jadi dia memiliki waktu luang yang bisa dilakukan misalnya kalau udah pensiunan ya, berkebun gitu ya. Atau what else? Membaca koran gitu. Oke. Nah, we move to the next slide. Jadi ini ada 5 pertanyaan ya. Nah, terkait hobi. So, the topic for today's meeting is hobby. So, jadi kita nanti akan share tentang hobi ya. Nah, di sini ada pertanyaan. Number 1, what is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? Apa hobi yang kamu sukai? Hobi yang paling favorit. And then, number 2, can you tell us about the hobby you enjoy? Jadi di sini nanti ditanya apakah kamu boleh berbagi tentang hobi yang sangat kamu sukai, yang kamu enjoy. So, and then next, how did you get interested in your hobby? Bagaimana kamu bisa menyukai hobi itu, hobi yang kamu miliki. And then, what do you like most about your hobby? Nah, di mana nih yang paling kita sukai hobinya? Di bagian apa gitu? Right. And the last question is, do you have any specific moments or experience related to your hobbies that you would like to share? Nah, nanti di sini diminta untuk share tentang pengalaman atau momen yang berkaitan tentang hobinya ya. So, dari kelima pertanyaan ini boleh dipersiapkan jawabannya. You can prepare the answer and you can take note. Ya, jadi boleh dicatat. And I will give you 2 minutes to prepare the answer. Ya, jadi saya akan memberikan waktu 2 menit untuk menyiapkan jawabannya. Nanti kita akan practice speaking. Masing-masing orang mendapatkan 1 menit untuk berbicara. Tell about hobbies, your hobbies, right? Okay. Now, you can do it. Alright, are you ready guys? Time is up ya. Udah 2 menit ya. Oke. Apakah siap untuk practice speakingnya? Who want to try first? Masing-masing memiliki waktu 1 menit untuk share about your hobbies. Kira-kira siapa yang mau try duluan? Anyone? Atau saya tunjukin aja deh, kira-kira siapa ya? Oke, Mbak Desi, can you share about your hobbies? Mbak Desi, are you here?
Miss,
Yes.
belum selesai.
Oh, alright. You don't finish yet? Okay, no problem. We move to the next one. Okay, how about Mbak Ida?
I don't finish yet, Miss.
Oke, belum selesai juga. Apakah waktunya yang diberikan sangat sedikit, 2 menit? Oke, siapa lagi nih kira-kira? Kita panggil yang lain lagi ya. How about Mbak Kusrina?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, can you share about your hobbies?
I'm not yet, but I try answer this.
Okay, you don't finish yet? Are you finished?
Belum,
Belum? Okay.
not yet.
Okay.
Belum.
Tunggu ya. Next, siapa lagi kira-kira yang udah selesai? I want to know about your hobbies, guys. How about Pak Mansur Kadir? Okay, gimana? Are you finished? Pak Mansur?
Not yet.
Not yet. So, yang udah finish kira-kira siapa ya? How about Mbak Ulan? Mbak Ulan, can you try?
Not yet, but maybe if you mungkin jika ditanya satu-satu persatu itu mungkin aku bisa
Alright.
jelasin.
Ya, boleh. No problem. So, jadi ditanya dijawab gitu ya. Dua arah ya.
Yes.
Okay.
Yang nomor 1 sih bisa ya. Coba ya.
Yeah, what is your hobby, Mbak Ulan? Can you tell me?
Okay. My hobby is singing.
Singing, wow.
Yes.
I think you have a good voice. And then can you tell us about the hobby you enjoy? Atau you have any other hobby that you enjoy?
Yes, sport.
Sport? What is that
Badminton.
sport? Okay.
Badminton. And I like watching on TV.
Watching TV.
Can you tell us about the hobby you enjoy?
All right. And then how did you get interest in your hobbies? Gimana Mbak Ulan bisa tertarik dengan hobi tersebut? Dengan bermain badminton atau mungkin hobi nyanyi, gimana bisa tertarik? Atau terinspirasi mungkin?
Yes.
Yeah.
If the music, if I hear music and my mood not quiet.
Yeah, you will get relaxed if you hear the music. Yes. Okay. So you like singing and listening to the music also, right? Okay, what do you like most of your hobbies? What do you like most of your hobbies? Apa yang paling kamu sukai dari hobi kamu?
Yang paling disukai apa ya? Um, music and the song,
Yes.
and the song and the lyric, I think.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Okay,
So
and then
complete.
all of type the music you like, right?
Yes.
And then
Yes,
how about
right.
your experience? Do you have any specific moments related with your hobbies?
Yes.
Ada
Yes.
pengalaman tentang hobi? Mungkin pernah ikut audisi nyanyi mungkin Mbak Wulan?
No.
Oh, okay.
But when in office
Yes, in
long
office.
time ago,
Yeah.
I'm singing to celebrate
Okay.
in Christmas,
Oh,
and I'm as a worship leader and
okay.
singer in
Yes,
office,
sound good.
but
So
not
you,
a little bit.
yeah, you be a singer, right? And
Yes,
Christmas
right,
event.
and so happy
Yeah, of course.
at the moment.
Thank you very much. Great. Thank you very much, Mbak Wulan, for sharing about your
Thank
hobbies.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, next we move to mm, Mbak Leni. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, Mbak Leni, can you turn on your camera, please?
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, number one, my favorite hobby is cook. I think the hobby is enjoy because I can cook for my family. About interest, I think I don't know that is interest, but I like to cook. Uh, uh, like most about my hobby. I must. I think I like it to cook for my family and another people. And if specific moments, uh, since before when we were not married, we were given a division of task at home, and I was given the task of cooking.
Oh,
And
okay.
that is a specific moment with my family.
Yeah,
Just it,
sounds good.
Miss.
Great. Yeah, so you like cooking, and maybe what is your favorite food to cook? Do you have any specific food? What is your favorite food
Uh,
you cook?
uh, I like make dessert.
Dessert. Okay.
Yes,
Delicious. All right.
yes, I like
Okay,
dessert.
thank you, Mbak Lenny, for sharing about your
Okay,
hobbies.
Miss.
Great.
Welcome.
Next, we move to hmm, Bu Desi. How about you? Desi, gimana? Udah siap nggak kira-kira Bu Desi? Mbak Desi. Are you finished?
Yes, Miss, I finished. I will try.
All right, time is yours. Share about your hobbies.
Okay. My hobby is exercise, Miss. I like swimming. Miss, you can hear my voice.
Yeah, of course, I can hear your
Hello?
voice. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Miss. I hear. Uh,
Yeah, you
my
can
favorite
continue.
hobby. Yeah, I like swimming.
Yes.
When I was a child, my father always go to the beach in
All right.
once a week or island.
Okay.
And so that I like to learn how to swim very well. After that, my father put me in the swimming club
Oh, okay.
to practice.
So you're good in swimming,
Yes,
right?
that's why until
Yeah,
now, yeah, I like swimming.
sounds good.
Okay, that's all, Miss.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mbak Desi. Keren. Sebenarnya saya nggak bisa berenang, jadi kalau dengar orang pintar berenang kayak salut aja sih. Alright, now we move to Mbak Nurmini. How about you, Mbak Nurmini? Are you ready? Okay, I forgot actually. Mbak Ida ya. Mbak Ida udah raise hand.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Ini Mbak Nurmini belum ada respon ya? Boleh, Mbak Ida.
Okay. My name is Tirta Safitri. I
Okay.
come from Bali.
Yes.
My favorite hobby is cooking.
Okay.
Yes. I can tell about the hobby enjoy because I want to make happy my daughter. How did you get interested in your? I interested to cooking chicken.
Okay, chicken.
Yes. What do you like most about your hobby? When I see my daughter very enjoy this my food.
Okay.
Specific. I have specific moments if when my daughter to share my recipes for his friends. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, great. Sounds good. Thank you very much, Mbak Ida, for sharing about your hobbies.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next, we move to Pak Mansur. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, maybe you can turn on your
I'm
camera.
reading. Yes.
Okay, you can
I
try to share
answer
your hobbies.
your asking.
Oh, okay.
Number one.
Number one, what is your favorite hobby?
Number one. What is your favorite hobby?
Yes.
My hobby are gardening and walking morning and reading book, etc. Number
Okay.
two.
Next, number two.
Can you tell us about the hobby you enjoy? My answer, my hobby enjoy is gardening. Number three, how did you get interested in your hobby? I interested my hobby with mixed planting, product high productivity, product high. Number four, what do you like most about your hobby? Apa yang Anda suka tentang hobi Anda? I like most of my hobby is selling product. Example, product coconut. Those my town ada pabrik apa? Pabrik.
Yes.
Jadi the coconut
Hmm?
and corn, jagung dan kelapa. Number 5,
Experience about related to your hobbies.
do you have any specific moment, for example, related to your hobby that you would like to share? Oh, yes, yes, I have. Yes, I have any specific, for example, planting experiment because I engineering agriculture, or I have a bachelor degree in agriculture. Saya sampaikan, I have I have been I have hired servant civil. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, it's interesting. Thank you very much, Pak Mansur. Okay. Next, we move to Mbak Kusrina. Are you here?
Okay, Miss.
Yes. You can tell about your hobbies.
I will try answer that is my favorite hobby is jalan-jalan, Miss. Jalan-jalan itu apa ya, Miss?
Oh,
You can say take a trips. Take a trip.
My favorite hobby is jogging.
All right,
Uh,
jogging.
Okay. And my hobbies is, can you tell us about the hobby you enjoy? The hobby, my hobbies is tadi apa? Jalan tadi. Jogging
Jogging, yes.
is healthy, membuat saya itu sehat dan banyak teman dan mempunyai pikirannya luas gitu, Miss. Selain sehat, itu mempunyai temannya many friend and broad insight. Selanjutnya, how did you get interested in your hobby? I get interested in my hobbies because very easy to do. Jadi,
Yes.
ya, saya tertarik dengan hobi saya karena sangat mudah dilakukan.
Okay,
And
it's
what do
easy
you
to do.
Terus, what do you like most about your hobby? My hobby can use everyone. Jadi, maksudnya artinya what do you like most about your hobby itu berarti apakah kamu suka tentang
Yang paling,
hobi?
iya, yang paling kamu sukai di hobi. Dari
Oh,
hobi.
macam hobinya.
Ya, yang paling kamu sukai dari hobinya apa? Yang dari.
Ya itu tadi jogging itu ya.
Oke, berarti udah
Jogging.
ya.
Ya,
Nomor 5.
sudah.
Oke.
Nomor 5, do you have any specific my experience related?
Yes.
My experience is related that my hobbies is
New.
I don't have experience but I'm happy have many friends aja. Jadi saya nggak menemukan pengalaman yang berarti, tetapi Saya hanya senang saja melakukan karena banyak teman gitu, Mas. Bahasa
Okay,
Inggrisnya nggak tahu nih.
sounds good. Thank you very much.
Gimana, Mas?
Yeah. You done finish? You have something to share?
Yes.
Are you
Gimana,
finished?
Miss? Yes, I'm
Oh,
finished.
atau masih ada? Oh, okay, finish ya. Okay,
Sudah.
great. Thank you very much, Mbak Kusrina. Now we move to the last one ya, the lucky one. Jadi satu orang lagi nih, kira-kira siapa? Maybe Mbak Dukmi Dora?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Nggak dengar suara saya ya?
Yes. I
Dengar?
can hear you.
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Evening. I will try. My hobby is swimming. Swimming. Number 2. About hobby enjoy. Like go to the beach. The beach. Number 3. How got interest hobby? Because I am good at swimming. Number 4. My like about swim is when I swim upside down, looking up at the sky. And then number 5, happy with swimming. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Great. Thank you very much, Mbak Dukmi Dora. Okay, ini Mbak Manisa udah raise hand ya. Okay, you can try. Mbak Manisa, are you ready?
Yes, I ready.
Okay, time is you.
Okay. I will try. Good evening, everyone. I will try to tell about my hobby. Long time ago, my hobby is play basketball and volleyball when I still in school. And now, I enjoy play basketball machine. The name is street basketball, and then I play in the mall. Why? Because every 2 weeks there is a competition, and whoever wins will get a cash prize. And then I like crochet about my hobby because I can make money and also share knowledge with those who want to learn. Okay, I think enough. Thank you.
Okay, sounds great. Yes, thank you very much, Mbak Manisa, for sharing about your hobbies. It's great. Okay, now I think we should move to the next one, yeah. Correction, because our time is limited. So, jadi sekarang kita ke sesi correction ya. Jadi ada beberapa feedback setelah practice tadi speaking. So, jadi untuk feedbacknya, nah, when we want to say our hobbies, jadi ketika kita mau mengatakan tentang hobi kita, hobinya lebih dari satu nih. We can say we use our. My hobbies are. Nah, karena dia banyak, jadi berubah jadi hobbies, not hobby. Bukan my hobby. Terus kita sebutin singing, play badminton, atau play basketball. Itu kan lebih dari satu ya. So we say my hobbies. Ada is-nya. And then we should use are, not is. Ya. So my hobbies are playing badminton. Next, singing. And then cooking. Oke, jadi and cooking ya. Jadi hobinya ada 3 nih. And cooking. Nah, jadi ini yang pertama. When we say about the hobbies, more than one, we use are. Ya, jadi ini juga berubah jadi hobbies, not hobby. My hobbies are, not my hobby are. Oke, tapi kalau hobinya satu tetap pakai is. My hobby is. Nah, misalnya ini hobinya satu ya. My hobby is. Hobby is swimming misalnya. Nah, ini ya, swimming. Oke, next. Nah, karena ini adalah hobi berupa kegiatan, jadi kita nggak bilang cook. No, atau misalnya swim. My hobby is swim. Not. My hobby is cook. Yang benarnya adalah swimming atau cooking ya. Nah, ini termasuk ke gerund. Gerund itu merupakan kata kerja yang berubah menjadi kata benda ya. Dia bisa menempati sebagai subjek atau objek. Nah, ketika kata kerja ditambah verb ing, dia jadi kata benda ya. Ini bukan tentang continuous. Kalau continuous kita tetap menggunakan ing, tapi ada to be ya kan? Oke, next. Nah, ketika kita ingin menceritakan pengalaman berarti hal yang sudah terjadi ya. So, we use past time. Jadi, untuk pengalaman yang sudah terjadi, tensisnya itu past, sudah berlalu. Nah, kalau past itu kira-kira pakai verb berapa?
Verb to.
Oke, verb to. Verb to ya.
Object.
Oke, objek komponen. Kira-kira gimana? Kita mau ceritakan kita udah pernah pergi ke kemana ya kira-kira? Ke suatu tempat. Terus kita di sana ngapain nih? Melakukan hobi kita. Oke, misalnya saya mau bilang dulu saya pernah pergi ke kebun binatang. Terus saya suka ngambil gambar. Hobi saya tuh ngambil gambar. So, we can say when I was in the zoo, atau kita mau bilang a long time ago atau a weeks ago. Ini adalah keterangannya dulu ya. Ini adalah keterangannya. Nah, baru kita menggunakan subjeknya. Subjeknya I took a photos. Oke. Nah, jadi it took photos, no ya. Verb 2-nya take adalah took. Alright. Nah, and then the next correction. Oke, kita bisa bilang tadi jalan-jalan. Jalan-jalan, we can say traveling, itu jalan-jalan. And then take a trip. And traveling. Nah, kalau misalnya jogging, it's okay. Jogging itu berarti lebih ke exercise ya. Exercise. Berarti exercise. Okay, and then we move to the next correction ya. Wait.
sama ya, mau menceritakan hobi, kerjaan, gak ganti ti, beli Pak mau nanti.
Um, Nah, selanjutnya kita bisa bilang hmm, my favorite hobbies atau I prefer. I prefer to do singing. Misalnya, kita bisa bilang kata lain dari favorite ya. Saya suka untuk bernyanyi gitu ya. And then I enjoy juga boleh. I enjoy cooking. Itu juga
I'm
bisa.
sorry, Miss.
Alright, yes.
Your turn off.
I'm sorry, what is that? Oh,
Nah,
okay.
okay.
Tadi mati ya. Okay, so
Yeah.
we can say the other sentence ya atau words ya untuk mengatakan kesukaan gitu. Kesukaan. I enjoy cooking, I enjoy playing badminton, atau I enjoy jogging, I prefer to do singing, I prefer take photos gitu. Ya. Yeah. And then tadi ada juga ini pabrik ya. Pabrik ada bahasa Inggrisnya itu adalah factory ya. Factory. Pabrik. Nah, berarti misalnya pabrik roti. We say bread factory. Right? Yes.
Bread factory.
Okay, yes. Okay, next we can say some reasons ya kenapa kita menyukai hobi itu, alasan kenapa kita menyukai. Misalnya saya menyukai olahraga. I like atau I prefer to take sport atau do exercise. I prefer to do exercise because kita bisa mengatakan alasannya because can make healthy. Yes. Jadi kita bisa melakukan aktivitas tadi sport ya untuk kesehatan kita, healthy. And then we also can use alasan lainnya, misalnya saya suka, I enjoy cooking. I enjoy cooking because I like to make the other
My family.
Okay, jangan kita bilang the other people ya. My family aja. I like to make my family happy. Ya, untuk menyenangkan keluarga ya. Jadi kita masak ya. Oke. Jadi kita bisa memberikan beberapa alasan terkait hobi. Atau misalnya I like singing because it's relaxing. Membuat kita relax. Yes. Yeah. Membuat kita relax. And also dapat membersihkan pikiran kita. Dan juga bisa bilang to make
Happy.
our mind broad. Yes. Jadi untuk membuat pikiran kita bersih atau jernih gitu ya. Oke. Terima kasih lagi. Alright. Oke, kira-kira dari beberapa feedback ada yang ingin ditanyakan?
Ada.
Oke, apa itu?
What difference between enjoy and like or love?
Yes. Sorry.
What difference between enjoy and like or love? Maksudnya
Sorry, what is the
perbedaan
difference of enjoy and
love.
close? Oh, okay. Close. Close, right? Close seperti ini.
No, no.
Love maybe.
Oh, love.
Love and
Yes,
like
yes.
maybe miss.
Okay.
Enjoy,
Okay, thank you very much.
like, enjoy, comma,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, like
or love.
love. Oke, ya sebenarnya itu boleh kita pakai ya, sama aja.
Like,
Misalnya
like, kan buat
I love, ya.
like itu buat suka.
I like.
Deh, itu gue mah.
Oke, ini
Hobi,
Pak Mansur ya
hobi.
yang tanya penggunaan
Ya.
I love, I like gitu ya. I enjoy, I prefer. Nah, itu sama aja. I prefer. Nah, itu sama aja. Kita boleh pakai yang manapun. Jadi sama-sama mengatakan ketertarikan ya atau kesukaan. I love cooking. I love singing. I like sports. I like doing yoga. Atau I enjoy traveling. Jadi boleh pakai yang mana aja. Ini merupakan ungkapan-ungkapan kesukaan gitu ya. Nah, biasanya kalau misalnya memang kita untuk bagus ya lebih bagus memang pakai kata-kata seperti ini ya daripada kita bilang kayak my favorite atau I like. Kita bisa gunakan kata yang lainnya itu untuk to improve our speaking. Sebenarnya nggak ada yang salah dengan kata-kata I like. Tapi I like itu mungkin kedengarannya ini ya basic ya, maksudnya kayak umum ya. Kita bisa ganti dengan I prefer, I love, I enjoy to improve your speaking. Ya seperti itu kira-kira. Okay, thank you very much for asking. Next question.
Enjoy it.
Ya, Mbak Isna.
Yeah, Miss.
Oh, Mbak Desi, do you want to ask?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Mau
What is
tanya
that?
kalau bercerita tentang masa lalu, kalimat pertama itu pasti past tense. Kalimat kedua apakah bisa berubah jadi present tense atau tetap past tense?
Oke.
Lanjut kalimatnya.
Nah, kita untuk kalimat yang pertama itu mengatakan waktu yang dulu ya. Nah, misalnya jadi dulu itu saya pernah pergi ke laut untuk berenang. Itu past tense. Nah, tapi sekarang saya berenangnya ke kolam renang misalnya. Nah, itu baru kita pakai yang sekarang, tensesnya ya. Jadi yang dulu itu yang pertama, kalimat pertama kita pakai past, yang kedua kita pakai tenses simple past.
Simple past.
Simple tense, ya.
Present tense.
Present simple, ya. Oke, sorry, present simple. Nah, kalau misalnya kita sekarang udah pergi ke kolam renang, tapi pergi ke kolam renang itu tetap udah masuk ke past. Jadi past time itu past tense itu 1 menit berlalu atau 2 menit berlalu dia udah masuk past sebenarnya. Kecuali yang nggak pas yang kita lakukan sekarang itu adalah continuous, alright? Oke, gimana?
Makasih, Miss. Yes.
Oke, thank you very much for asking. Alright. Now I think it's done ya for correction. Now we move to the next one, the next slide. Okay.
Can hear your voice.
Yes.
Because noisy, Miss.
Okay. Is my voice clear? Is my voice clear? Okay, now we move to reflection ya, setelah correction ya. Jadi setelah tadi belajar tentang vocabularies, ada beberapa vocabulary tadi ya, 10 vocab ya, kosakata ya. Ada juga yang mungkin baru dengar kosakatanya atau udah nggak asing lagi kosakatanya. Okay, next setelah itu kita melakukan practice speaking ya, tentang sharing about our hobbies. Dan setelah practice speaking, I give you some feedback or correction, and then we move to reflection, to the last session ya. Okay, for the reflection, what do you say about tonight's meeting? Are you happy?
Yes,
Yes, I'm
I'm
happy.
Okay,
Very
thank
happy.
you so much. You're happy
You
yeah?
make this
To share about your hobbies. I'm glad to hear that. It's a good hobby. Okay, are you happy ya? Berarti ya. And
Yeah.
then, what did you learn? Kira-kira apa nih? Pelajaran apa yang didapatkan hari ini? Do you get some new vocabularies?
vocabulary, and then my hobby
Yes.
is a person.
And then?
I feel the people, and then about hobby, enjoy and happy.
Okay. Yes. So you know about about your friend hobbies. Okay, and then you can share about your hobbies, right, to the other. Jadi kita bisa mengetahui beberapa hobi ya dari yang lainnya, dan juga kita dapat share tentang hobi kita ya. Dan juga mendapatkan kosakata terbaru ya tentunya tadi ya.
Yeah.
Ada kosakata ya.
My hobby, and then apa?
Yes. And
Hobby
then
apa?
about your vocabulary.
Yeah.
Yes. Your habits and vocabularies, right? Okay, thank you very much for today's class. But before that, I want to stop share, and I want to take photos, maybe, right? Before we end the class, maybe you can turn on your camera because I want to take photos. Okay, senyum ya semuanya ya. Semangat sekali hari ini belajarnya. Oke, 1, 2, 3, cheese. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oke, manis-manis banget nih. Oke, terima kasih semuanya, Bapak.
Love you all.
Bye-bye. See you next meeting, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Bye, Miss.
bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. You may leave the Zoom.
Yeah.
Night, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Udah. Dari Bali.